Hi, welcome to my craft room. Today we have our Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box. Let's dig in. Sprinkles and Confetti. April 2019 birthday box. This is their 2-year anniversary of the box. So let's see what we got here. Goodness Grows Quilt Along. This year we invite you to let goodness bloom and flourish in your heart, block by block. Our Goodness Grows Sew Sampler Quilt was designed by Corey Yoder of Coriander Quilts, and it is an exquisite garden of beautiful flowers and fruits. With each block we hope to leave you so inspired to make good things happen in your heart and surroundings and to cultivate your own personal garden of good. Get your Goodness Grows quilt kit, backing set, and thread set, and sew along with us. There's no coupon in here this month, so I can show you. And you want to use hashtag Goodness Grows QAL, and then there's that there. So what do we have? We have our booklet that tells what everything is and their retail pricing. Let's see here. This looks interesting. This matches the tweezers. It's Tula Pink hardware. This is 4-inch mini duckbill scissors. It says these handcrafted 4-inch mini duckbill applique scissors protect base fabrics to remain uncut while trimming applique. This unique size masks intricate trimming, easy and efficient. Here they are. You see how they're kind of different colors all around. Pink, blue, green, yellow. And here's what they look like from the side. So these will come handy in my embroidery. Let's see. It says this is a first. Made of high quality stainless steel, this mini applique duckbill scissors features a micro serrated edge for precise cutting, keeping fabric from slipping and preventing fraying. Part of the Tula Pink hardware line, duckbill scissors allow you ultra close and precise trimming, while the duckbill protects one layer of the fabric from accidentally being snipped. So here's how they work. And the retail value is $14.99. Those will come in handy. What is this? Quilter's Tips. Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Get a grip with your Quilter's Tips 6-pack. It says get a grip and quilt with the Quilter Tips from Noble Nations. Get a grip and quilt with the Quilter Tips from Noble Notions. These plastic fingertip covers stretch to fit all sizes and help you maintain control of your fabric and needles as you piece, quilt, and bind. These are so useful you may never want to take them off. Includes 6 plastic tips. This is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, and retail value is $6.24. So they're not real stretchy, but they like stretch this way. Kind of like a balloon. So that's pretty cool. I guess you could wear those like if you're quilting. It'd probably give you a good grip on your fabric. So that's cool. And the next item is a 4.5-inch square ruler with unicorn grip. And there's a unicorn in there if you can see it. There it is. It says this is a first. This is Tula Pink. Oh, let me turn it over. Believe it or not, this 4-inch square ruler by Tula Pink is backed by a bit of magic, or at least a magical creature. Infused with a pink tint, this ruler features easy-to-read black 1/8-inch markings and a non-slip backing in the shape of a unicorn. The compact size is wonderful for trimming up small pieces like charm squares and 2.5-inch strips. This is a Sew Sampler. Members receive this item first. Retail value $14.99. can definitely see the tinge of pink, especially like on the back in here of this white paper. You can see it there and along the edge there. So there's the unicorn. You can hear the difference, the gripper, and where it's not. Here is the front. That is cute. And I can definitely use that. 1/4 inch seam allowance, easy sight lines, and non-slip back. Awesome. Okay, what we got left here? We got fabric and let's see. Okay, that's the coupons. So it's a coupon booklet. Okay, this confetti star quilt pattern, the Fat Quarter Shop exclusively for Sew sampler box. It says the confetti star quilt is a singularly spectacular way to light up your quilt collection with no Y seams. This splendid 1-star seems to be made of magic. Constructed from 2.5 inch strips that will dazzle and delight. Start with the Pinkerville 18-piece roll for a captivating combination of color and design. This retails for $9.98. So that is really pretty. Love that. And you can even change these colors up out here to match any of those colors. And let's see, here's everything that you need to make it. And I'll have links to that in the store. And the next one is Goodness Grows Quilt Along. So this is the new one. I think, yeah, there'll be 12. It'll go till next March. And then April will be a new one. So this is Goodness Grows, and this is block number 1. You're invited to let goodness bloom in your heart block by block. Designed by Corey Yoder, this quilt will leave you so inspired to make positive things happen in your heart and cultivate your own personal garden of good. Get your Goodness Grows quilt kit and coordinating 80 weight applique or fill thread pack. This retails for $4.98. And this is everything you need for that one. Now the best part, and I really don't want to pull this apart because I'll never get it closed back up. But I want to show you the fabric the best I can. There we go. Okay, that is really, really pretty. Let's see if I can kind of try to show you without really unraveling it too much. Let's see what it says about this. This is the Confetti Star Petite Pinkerville Design Roll. Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics. There's that one. Let's see. It's really pretty. This one has a swan in it. This one's cute. Little stars, look like fireworks. This one looks like the paint, like when you put it on top of water and soak it up. Oh, and there's like a little Loch Ness monster in here. See that right there. And this is the last one here. Super pretty, really colorful, bright. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it is very bright colors. Okay, there we go. Okay, I saved it. So that is everything. I will be having a video out next month. I'm doing another quilt along, but this time I'm doing a full project rather than just one block. So we'll see how that goes. Since I'm a beginner, I hope I measure right this time. I think my block, it didn't come out right, and I was like, I think I must have measured something wrong. It's like, when I looked at my tape line that I marked, I think it was off. So be watching for that. So that is everything. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to ask me in the comments. And I appreciate you stopping by. And thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.